Hello, my name is Cindy Bennett and thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not been to my channel before, thank you for coming to this channel and thank you for watching this video. The videos on my channel are a lot of Vipkid, and I do have a lot about using the iPad for teaching, as I administer the iPad group for Vipkid teachers and on Facebook. And so I like to give them tips for using the iPad. So what else about me? Yeah, so on this channel, I'm also doing some videos about OutSchool. I have a Saturday morning talk show. Well, teacher chat on Saturday morning with some of my friends, and that's really fun too. And you're welcome to stop by and see what that's all about. Usually I just talk about what's going on with Vipkid. Well, today I'm talking to you about another feature that Vipkid has for us, and you can use your phone for this, but you can also use your iPad. So I have my iPad here, and when you're teaching for Vipkid, you're going to use the HD app, which is the orange app, and it has like a white corner, and that's what you teach from. There's also another app that is solid orange, and that's what I'm going to work with today. This is like your phone app. And on this app, you will have everything that your phone has, and it's on your iPad here. And like, here's the home button, and here I have the account button. So the account is going to tell you everything that you need to know. Here are insights. I have been with Vipkid for 869 days. I have taught 3,601 classes. Keep in mind, level 7 is counted as one class, but it's actually 1 hour long. And then I'm going to go to the moments section. So the moments section is where Vipkid will make a video and take some of your snippets from your classes and make a video out of it. So these are really fun to watch later and see what they come up with. Sometimes they catch you in some really not so good poses. One time I had missed a class. I had a student no-show, and the substitute teacher was in my moments video. That was kind of cool. And so those are really fun to watch. Now there's also the teacher spotlight. And the teacher spotlight is where you can choose and kind of make your own little moments video. They give you 6 choices of some snippets from your classes, and you can choose them. Then you combine them, you can watch it, and then you could submit that for approval from the company. And those are really fun to do. So I have done that along the way. I've got quite a few in here. And some of them do have numbers near the eye. So like this one, 6 people watched, 3 people watched, 10 people watched, and I got a heart on that one. Yay! So those are really fun. So you can go through and set up your own teacher spotlight. And then you can also, there's also a class showcase. So you can make a video, your own video, and then you can put it up, and it's kind of like for new students. If you have a new student, you can make a video to just welcome them to Vipkid and try to get them to rebook with you. So that's also an option, and you can do that on your iPad. You can also do that on your phone. And so at the end of this video, I am going to show you my last teacher spotlight, and I just thought it was really funny, and I wanted to share it with everyone. And I hope you enjoy that. And if you have any questions about these things that I've shared with you, go ahead and post a question below. And if you have a video that you have made about this topic, go ahead and feel free to post it below also. I'd love to watch your video. And so I just really love teaching for Vipkid, and I'm thankful for the opportunity. And so far my bookings have kept up, and I'm really glad about it. Now, one of the first videos that we make with the company is the welcome video. And I also have some examples on my channel of the welcome video. the welcome video is a really fun video to make. And what I did for my last video was after I taught 6 classes, I went ahead and just took props that I used for those classes and some of the content from those classes and put them together and made a video. So it kind of is a real picture of what I do in my classes. And so you can look for those on my channel as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Happy teaching. What is it? Cookies? Okay, can you ask a question about this picture?
What do they eat?
Okay. Sometimes we say, in America, we'll say, it's 2020.
Oh.
Is 2020 a good year?
No.
It's been a bad year. Oh, 2020 has been a really, really hard year. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe, and I hope 2020 gets better for all of us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.